very creative. You paint. You make things, sculptures. You love glass, colors, shapes, and objects that you put together in a collage and you make it come to life. You make love with all these things. You make love metaphorically with your art. And each one of them is a gift from your amazing reservoir of imagination. You live in a small town on a rocky coast. The sea sings to you all the time. You give your art pieces, your spectacular creative pieces away, and you sell them. And they fulfill you. They fulfill you. Yet you push. You push onward relentlessly. Driven, fervid, pushing on, and you want to create more, each day more, and you try to understand why this is happening to you, what is motivating you, and the world becomes a sheath over you, and you feel oppressed by it, and you're perplexed, and you're driven more and more, trying to understand, trying to find peace and find fulfillment and all of these things. But the more you create, the more you produce, the more you work at it diligently, the further away those things that you desire become. And you're left with yourself. You're left in that isolation of your mind, with 1,000 tendrils, so to speak, touching you, irritants, all memories of something you have forgotten about yourself. You have forgotten all of the accumulated burdens that came prickling onto your body and in your inner sanctum. All of those memories weigh down upon you. And every time you create art, it is to uplift you, to extricate yourself from those memories, until one day there was no more creation, and only the beautiful melodic sounds of the waves against the shore and the rocks were the only things that you could hear. And you said, tell me, how can I be free of my crippled self, of my sad, burdened, broken self that has produced such masterpieces for centuries, seemingly? How can I be free of these things? And it came to you in a beautiful wisp of magical smoke from the fire of the fireplace. And it told you to make one last artistic piece, one last piece for yourself, only for yourself. And there was a little jeweled butterfly, and you kissed it, with tears streaming down your face. You found yourself, beauty that you've always been creating, but never or rarely realized. And in that beauty, you were happy, enriched, satisfied, and you felt the purity